What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Jekyll and Hydes. Today we got one of my favorites, which is also a fan favorite. We got the Jaguar. That's right, the Jaguar XF. And this is a 2023. And the reason why I like Jaguar so much, guys, body lines. Look at that hood. You see the lines on that hood, right? Unlike any other vehicle I actually seen, it's got lines for days. But that front end looks really nice too. So let me tell you what we did to this vehicle, guys, right? We wrapped it from front to back in what we call Vampire Red by Inozetek. One of the best in the game. When it comes to shine like this, guys, Inozetek doesn't miss. It's always a good choice. So the original color of this vehicle, as you guys may see, was a gloss gray. The client wanted something a little different, a little more eye-catching, something that really stands out. So let me tell you what we did. We did a couple of things. We did the wrap, of course, but we also combined that with the chrome delete. Check out those wheels, right? Satin black on the wheels. We did gloss black on the top, gloss black on the door handles, gloss black on the design and the emblems on the side to really make it pop, guys. Take a look at that. The only thing this vehicle is missing, and I hope we can upsell the client on this because she really needs it, those tinted windows. That's gonna set this bad boy off, right? So there you have it, guys. 2023 Jaguar XF. If you guys need your vehicle wrap, bring it on down to Jekyll and Hydes. We can do it for you. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Don't go nowhere. We'll be back. William Agnew. Peace.